Welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your password in the Band app. If you are concerned about your account security or simply want to update your login details, this guide will walk you through the entire process in clear and simple steps. First, open the Band app on your phone. Next, look at the top right and tap on the profile icon. Then, at the bottom right, tap on Small Settings icon. After that, choose the option labeled Account. From here, tap on Change Password. Now, enter your new password carefully, making sure it is both strong and secure. Then, confirm your new password by typing it again in the confirmation field. Finally, tap the OK button to save your changes. Your Band app password has now been updated successfully. Changing your password in the Band app is quick and easy. Simply follow these steps to secure your account and ensure that your personal information remains protected at all times.